I never thought I'd be the type to get into Pilates. I mean, I always associated it with graceful movements and flexibility, things that seemed so far removed from my own clumsy, uncoordinated self. But then I heard about how Pilates could strengthen muscles and help with weight loss, and suddenly it didn't seem so out of reach anymore. I remember my first class like it was yesterday. Walking into the studio, I was hit with a wave of calmness and serenity that I hadn't expected. The soft lighting, the soothing music playing in the background. It was like stepping into a whole other world. And then there was the instructor, all poise and confidence, moving through the exercises with such grace and precision that I couldn't help but be in awe. As we started the class, I quickly realized that Pilates was no joke. The movements were slow and controlled, but they were also incredibly challenging. Every muscle in my body was being worked in ways I had never experienced before. It was like my body was waking up from a long slumber, each movement bringing a new sense of awareness and strength. And the best part? I could feel the effects almost immediately. My core, which had always been a weak spot for me, was getting stronger with each class. My posture improved, my balance became more stable, and I could feel muscles I didn't even know existed starting to tone and tighten. But perhaps the most surprising thing was the impact Pilates had on my weight loss journey. I had always struggled with my weight, trying every fad diet and trendy workout plan out there with little success. But with Pilates, it was different. The combination of strength training and cardio elements in each class helped me burn calories and build lean muscle mass, leading to a more efficient metabolism and, ultimately, weight loss. As the weeks turned into months, I found myself looking forward to my Pilates classes more and more. It wasn't just about the physical benefits anymore, although those were certainly a major factor. It was also about the mental and emotional benefits, the sense of accomplishment after completing a challenging class, the stress relief that came from focusing solely on my breath and movement, the camaraderie and support of my fellow classmates. Pilates had become so much more than just a workout routine for me. It had become a lifestyle, a mindset, a way of approaching life with strength, grace, and determination. And as I looked in the mirror and saw a stronger, leaner, more confident version of myself. Looking back, I knew that Pilates had truly changed me for the better.